HVAC.
R.
Welcome, I'm Morgan Smith. I'm with the North American Sustainable Refrigeration Council, and I'm here today at our third Natural Refrigerant Training Summit, co-hosted with local Steamfitters 449 at their beautiful training facility in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is a free 3-day event that offers comprehensive training for refrigeration technicians on the latest natural refrigerant technologies. We have some of the leading manufacturers, some of the top trainers from the industry, and we have a full house of refrigeration technicians who have had 3 full days of access to classroom and hands-on training on CO2 and propane technologies.
Because I'm, for the most part, say kinesthetic. I learn by doing, and everything we do here is actually doing it. I'm not reading out of the book and then, looking at it and then having a diagram of it. No, we're just gonna go do it. There's no read the book for tie the shoes. It's tie the shoes, lace the laces, tie the shoes, do it again, teach someone else.
HVAC and R.
HVAC and R. HVAC and R.